Do you want to learn a fun, experimental way to explore and master new visual styles on Midjourney V6? In this video, I unlocked 50 different art styles for the same prompt. I will show you how to do this lightning fast and easily using the style random parameter, and how to save and reuse styles you like. Style random allows you to explore different styles and new visuals to inspire you. It's accessed through the Sref random parameter, and it allows users to generate images with a random art style that can be reused across prompts. This new parameter allows for quick experimentation with a wide variety of random styles without having to define specific styles. It can be particularly helpful while conceptualizing logo designs and trying different ideas quickly. Can lead to unexpected and interesting results that may inspire new creative directions. Atomic prompting typically offers a great deal of creative control for both photographic and illustrative versions. However, remember that the impact of the style random parameter is potent. It can override your style choice and transform the entire image. And that's exactly the point. To discover a new style without specifying anything. Often, it can also override your choice of photography type or illustrative medium. The results can vary for the same prompt despite our selection, producing either drawing style or photographic results. That's why if you're going to experiment with style random, I highly recommend to mention subject and action and leave rest of the work to parameter itself. Now let's look at how to use style random on Discord. We are heading to the prompt input field and typing our prompt. You can now type --sref random after your prompt, hit enter and get a random style every single time. You can add chaos parameter to your prompt to produce even more unusual and unexpected results with many variations. You can also control strength of the random style's influence with values from 0 to 1000 using SW parameter. Remember 100 is default value. Here is a visual comparison of low, medium and high style random values applied to the same prompt. With increasing value, we are feeling impact of randomized style more and more. If you like a style generated with style random, you can use that image as a style reference for other prompts using --sref. Styles generated with style random can be saved and reused across multiple prompts using style codes. Midjourney now shows the style codes inside prompts, next to the generated images both in Discord and Alpha website. Now, simply I will use this style code as reference for any other prompt. If you felt a spark of inspiration, show your support with a thumbs up and join our jungle community by subscribing for more mind-blowing tutorials. If you want to learn more about Midjourney and AI filmmaking, click here.